Alright, hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. So I have another one of these Corbin padlocks here. It's absolutely gorgeous old things. This one is a little special. It's actually a Corbin master ring padlock. So this key here turns this inner core, but there's another key that would turn this outer ring here to allow for master keying. These things are really cool. Unfortunately, I don't have a master key for it, but at least have this key. Pretty crazy bidding on that thing. So there are security pins in here. It is a pretty tough pick. The keyway is that same in the other ones that doesn't really allow for top of the keyway tension, so I'm going to be tensioning this from the bottom using a top of the keyway tensioner. And let's see if we can get anything here. Nothing really on one. Two's binding. A little something out of two. Tiny click out of three. Four is binding. I think I set him. Yep. A little bit out of five. Three is binding, I think. A little click out of three. Four again. Click back there. I think I got five set way up back there. I think something was overset. Oh, here we go. Click out of four, dropped into a false set. Alright, get under five back here. Here we go. Click out of five. I think we set him. I think I got four set. What's binding now? One, there we go. Alright, got her open. Man, that thing took quite a while. It put up quite a fight. Well, that was a fun little pick. Absolutely love these Corbin padlocks. They're amazing. But anyway, have a good one all. Take care.